Hi, my name's Tom. I wanted to show you a cool gadget that we actually got for Thanksgiving dinner, but we're going to use it for other holidays as well, Christmas, Easter, whatever we want to do. This is a mashed potato-Ricer. So you know when you make mashed potatoes, you put a whole bunch of potatoes in a pot, you boil them, and then you have to do this great big masher and kind of push down, and you're pushing water around, you're making a mess. All the potatoes stick to the masher. It's kind of messy. This potato-Ricer, this solves that problem. We chose this potato-Ricer because it's actually made out of metal. It's got a handle right here. You can actually put it onto a lid if you want to, or across a pot if you want to, or you can even hang it up because it has a little hook. That's actually pretty handy. But I'm going to go ahead and just hold it like this. And the way it works is you open it up and you have a kind of a metal ring. So this metal ring, I'm going to put that metal ring right in there. Got a lip to kind of hold it in. Then what you do is you choose from 3 different plates. These different plates are for, you put that in there as a grid and you will push your mashed potatoes through them and it'll come out in different sizes. So I'm going to use the largest grid for the moment, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just place it in there nice and straight. Okay, good. Okay, so now you can see it's sitting there. It'll fall out if I'm not careful. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I would put all of my mashed potatoes in there, and then I would go ahead and put this metal plate on the top of the mashed potatoes, and then you push it down, and this little lever will push the mashed potatoes down, and they'll come out in that shape. And when it's called ricing a mashed potato, and what it does is it basically just kind of pushes it out in kind of a noodle shape almost. It almost comes out like spaghetti with the smaller holes. But that's all it really is to it. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. So we went ahead and filmed a little bit of us using it for dinner.
Here we are actually playing with the ricer. We just put it together for the first time, and all you're going to do is you're going to just sink that right into the middle, just like that. Put the basket in, and we have our boiled potatoes ready to go. You just pick it up, and you'll see you can put in, we quartered our potatoes. You can put in, we just tried 2 here real quick, just to kind of show you what it looks like. And this is the very first time we're using it. And look at that, you just kind of squeeze, you can see it comes out like little short noodles. It really is pretty amazing. It's called a ricer because a lot of your potatoes actually come out looking like little pieces of rice. Initially, it will stick a little bit. If you actually spray that with a little bit of cooking oil, it will not stick nearly as much. That was a little trick we figured out about halfway through. We did about 4 pounds of potatoes in about 5 minutes. It was actually a very, very quick process once we got going with it. You can see we just kind of rested it across the bowl. You throw in a couple pieces of boiled potato. You go ahead, just press it down, just squeeze it, and it comes right out.
It's really great. I really, really like this. It is easy to wash up. It's full metal. It does require a little bit of hand strength, but it's not too bad. And if you really get clever, you can actually use 2 hands. You can hold 1 hand here and 1 hand here and really push away with it. But it's really just a nice potato ricer. It's a good quality product. Again, all metal, easy cleanup, highly recommended.